Let's set up your brand context so everything that's generated sounds and looks exactly like your business. All you need to do is add your website. Your industry will be selected for you, along with a product or service description. Then, choose the goals you want to focus on, which will also guide recommendations and optimizations. Next are the instructions. This is where you can add a custom prompt, but most of it is already filled in for you. Then comes your products or services. You can pull them directly from your website or add them manually. It's always better to promote individual products or services instead of only focusing on your overall brand. That way, you cut through the clutter and speak directly to people's needs. Make sure you add raw assets, like clean images without text, so they can be turned into ad creatives easily. Once your products are ready, you can tap Create Ad or Create Social Post to see a list of recommended platforms for that specific product. You can also generate products by simply typing a short description or update them at any time. Even adding the product price helps inform daily budget and spend recommendations. From there, just select Create Ad on your product, choose the platform you want, and you're ready to launch ads for your products or services.